came out here to find, when I cut the breaker on, the compressor sounded terrible. Breaker was in the on position. I wasn't getting any power to the unit at all. So I decided to do a mega ohm test on the compressor. Now, and yet, if this says bad, that means the compressor is bad. Try to get it lined up better. Put that there. Battery to start acting right. As you can see, it's reading bad. Do it one more time. It's bad. Got a bad compressor. So right now I basically have the compressor unplugged down there. It's not plugged in. So with the compressor plug in, it's gonna trip that breaker over there. So basically a dead giveaway. The compressor is bad. So fan runs perfectly fine. Without the compressor, you won't have any air. So just leave that off for now. And we have to replace that compressor. And put the screws back in, and as you can see, I'm getting 165 NF, which stands for nanofarads. So we got a bad capacitor, ready for a 45.5. I'm gonna replace that. When I arrived, I noticed the compressor wasn't running, but the fan was running. So we're gonna replace the capacitor on this one, and hopefully that does it, and it should be good to go after that. There's the old one. Let's fire this thing up and see if it comes on. Should hear the compressor now. There you go, compressor came on. So it should be pumping some cold refrigerant. It should be pumping some refrigerant to the As you can see, 8.3, compressor is running. That's good. I'm gonna check refrigerant pressures to make sure that's good as well.